Hello, this is Riley Smith with MakeGood Creative Network. I thought today we would do a kind of counterintuitive video. Usually when I make videos, I talk about something that I'm good at or I have already accomplished, and today we're going to talk about the several reasons why this YouTube channel is not growing very quickly. I am very happy with where this channel is, and I'm so grateful for the subscribers and views that we do have, but this channel is not my main hustle. You know, MakeGood is my side business. I'm also a full-time writer trying to make that work. Obviously, I'm not putting 100% of my time into this YouTube channel. That being said, I know there are certain things that I'm not doing for various reasons that are holding the channel back. So if you are at all interested in being a YouTuber, here are some things that you can do to make your channel grow more. I'll give some examples of them and also maybe talk a little bit about why I'm not doing that. So to give you an idea, my channel has been up for about 5 years. We have over 500 subscribers. I'm super grateful for that and super happy with that. But there are a lot of channels who see much faster growth than that. We also get about 1,000 views a month. That's better than nothing. That's a lot better than none, right? I was super happy when I looked and I saw that we're getting 1,000 views a month. I'm really grateful for that. But a lot of people would say, well, that's not nearly enough to start monetizing or things like that. So with that in mind, that the channel is mid to small size, I do have some videos that I've done, I think, pretty well, but a lot of my videos will just get 30 views. That in mind, let's talk a little bit about what I am doing or not doing that is holding back this YouTube channel. The very first thing, and I think this is really key, is I do not post on a regular schedule. If you look, I think our last video was actually in August of last year. So it's been half a year since I posted. Even before that, I was posting fairly erratically. I was trying to post every other week and that just wasn't happening. YouTube rewards you for more consistent posting. If you post consistently on the same day of the week, at the same time, with the same regularity, whether that's the last Monday of every month, whether that's every other week, it probably benefits you to do more, but it definitely benefits you to do regular posting on a schedule. This also helps your fan base, who will start to expect videos at a certain time. So I took a hiatus from making videos. I didn't necessarily mean to at first, but then for the last 3 or 4 months of the year, I was exclusively focused 100% on finishing a novel. I didn't do anything else. I didn't do anything for MakeGood. I barely did anything just for life. I was just focused on finishing this novel that I've been sort of thinking about starting and had written a first chapter that I didn't really like. I've been kind of not getting into it. And then in October of last year, I was like, F this, I'm gonna finish the book. But that did require me not doing a bunch of other stuff. So that is the reason why I do not post regularly. Other things come up. I am a writer and comedian, and I do occasionally have to prioritize those things. I think a bigger problem though was that I set too ambitious of a posting schedule, and that got discouraging. So this year, I am making a big commitment to do less. I am going to post one video to MakeGood a month. I hope that means that the videos will be more helpful and that I will be able to keep that regular schedule. Stay tuned to see if I manage that. The next thing is I don't invest in better audio and video quality. Obviously, it's YouTube. It's an audio-visual medium. You want the sound to be super good. You want the video to be really nice. Sound is even more important. I've heard this over and over again. I definitely think it's true. A lot of people will just listen to YouTube. They won't even actually watch the video that they're watching. I do this a lot. I will actually listen to videos from a Twitch streamer I like named Spookyloopz. I watch his videos all the time on YouTube, but I'll be playing a game while I'm listening to him. And his audio is great, and he's got this super calming voice. I just use my iPhone. I have a really nice microphone for when I'm doing things on the computer, if I am streaming or if I'm filming a video that requires me looking at something on the computer. But in terms of this video right now, this is just my iPhone. It's pretty nice visual quality. It's pretty nice audio, but it's not the best. And there's so many other videos on YouTube that you don't really have to, when you are searching for a video, settle for something that doesn't have a professional quality look for it. So if you're really into YouTube, you really want to succeed and become a YouTube partner, I really recommend that you set aside some money if you can for that really good audio visual You know, it doesn't have to necessarily be like hugely expensive, but good lighting makes a world of difference. Using an actual like microphone instead of just a built-in speaker can also make a lot of difference. In the same vein, my videos have very minimal editing. I basically cut out the ums and when I say something incorrect or weird, like too weird. I do very minimal editing. This saves time for me, but obviously makes the videos less enjoyable to watch. To give kind of a counter example, my friend Abbey Perez, Abbey Perez, I'll put her link in the description below. She puts a lot of work into the editing of her videos. There are different topics than these that I'm doing on this channel. She does social commentary, pop culture, video essays, really good editing. As a reward for all that hard work, all of her videos have hundreds of views. I really do think it's related to that. I also think there's several things that she's doing that are really smart, but I definitely think that the editing quality of her videos and how well they're put together and scripted really makes a difference. So taking the time to invest in really good filmmaking software. DaVinci Resolve is free. I do use that, but again, I have not learned how to do any of the fancy things. I basically just cut out the ums, ahs, and the awkward pauses. So editing is a huge one that can really help your videos succeed. This one seems like it would be small, but it actually makes a huge difference. I don't upload subtitles on my videos. I let YouTube do its like closed captioning thing. This actually hurts my video reach. On shorts, not having captions is a big deal. If you're uploading shorts, you want to have captions directly on the screen in those big white, easily readable letters, because a lot of people, including me, don't watch shorts with the sound on. So completely counter to the point I made earlier, but there's a significant portion of your audience that will watch videos without the sound on. So uploading really good subtitles, which you can either do yourself manually, or there are services online where you upload your video and they'll give you back subtitles to upload. YouTube rewards you for uploading your own subtitles. Your video will get shown to more people, and in the case of shorts, it will be enjoyed by more viewers. So if you can, get those manual subtitles uploaded instead of using YouTube's auto subtitles, and try to make sure your shorts have subtitles on the short itself. The next thing that I don't do that is probably hurting my channel is I don't only make videos in my most popular niche. So it's been pretty clear. I've been making these videos on this channel for 5 years. Without exception, without competition, without question, the best performing videos are my comedy tips videos. The best performing YouTube video I've ever made on any of my channels is about 5 comedy books that I recommend. Most of my subscribers come from the comedy videos. The bulk of my views come from the comedy videos. If I was just focused on trying to get monetized and making my videos as popular as possible, if that was my only goal, I would 100% only be making comedy tip content. I would be only making videos how to be funny, how to write a sketch, how to audition at the Groundlings Improv Comedy School. I would only be making comedy videos if my only goal was reach and views, because that has been clearly the most popular content that I make. That's not my only goal for this channel. My real goal for this channel is that anyone who is an indie or amateur artist can watch it and feel inspired and go on to accomplish amazing things. That's my real goal. It matters a lot more to me than reach. It matters a lot more to me than views. So I want to reach out to people who maybe aren't necessarily comedians or just comedians, or even providing content that's good for comedians but isn't just about being funny. So I make videos sometimes that aren't in my perfect niche, and then those videos don't do as well. Sometimes you gotta make a choice. If you are very focused on growing your channel, that's awesome. That's a great goal. Find your niche, find your topic that people really respond to and that you really enjoy doing, and make more videos in that niche. 2 quick things that I don't do that would really help the channel is I don't spend time on trends. I don't research trends. I don't jump on them. It seems like a lot of very boring work, and I've never really been good at seeing what's popular. So, you know, I might try to do that with some shorts this year, but it just seems like a lot of work. The other thing is I don't spend time learning the algorithm. There's a lot of creators who make very helpful videos that are like, hey, the latest YouTube algorithm means that you really benefit if you toggle this option. I should look into those more, and I'm going to try to do some of that this year, but I don't do it. So take time to research trends and research YouTube's algorithm, and that will help your channel to grow. This last thing that I'm not doing that I think is pretty huge and would be really helpful is I don't network in my niche, in my topic. Think of somebody like Gonzalez. He makes these really hilarious comedy videos. He also appears in other people's videos and has other people appear in his videos who would have a similar audience to him. So that kind of networking and cross promotion can really help a channel grow. One of my goals for this year is probably gonna be to try to do that. Get to know more of the creators in this space, see who I vibe with, and try to do some cross promotion so that we can share our audiences, pool our resources, and everyone can win. Yeah! So if you are trying to grow your channel, figure out who is making similar videos that you like, or you feel like has a similar audience to you, and see if you can potentially do any collaborations. This will work best with channels who are a similar size to your own, but it's a great way to grow and bring yourself to new audiences while also making some friends. It's even better if you actually like the people you're collaborating with. So try to do that. Try to like make friends. So the good news is that even with all of those things I'm not doing, the channel still gets over 1,000 views every month. That's 1,000 people who are being helped by the channel, which is incredible. You know, we still have over 500 subscribers, which is technically enough to monetize if we can just boost up those watch hours. I'm not spending all my time desperately trying to figure out how to monetize, but if it happens, I'm not gonna say no. I'm not gonna say no. But it's really cool how many people the videos are actually going out to and helping. We get a lot of really nice comments from people who are like, wow, I didn't even think of this. I feel like I can really grow now, which is super, super cool. One of my videos even has over 27,000 views right now, and it gets more views every single day, which is super exciting. So even if your output isn't perfect, even if you're like me and you can't do all the things that I just listed, keep going, do what you can. The right people will find you. This is a little bonus note that I thought was really nice, actually. I thought that one of the reasons that my videos weren't doing very well would be that, like, I don't put on makeup. I don't really get dressed up for the videos. I used to do that for like my first year, and then I was like, eh. And I thought maybe that would have an impact, but it really doesn't, actually, at least amongst my channel. My very top video does have, oh, my doggy's here. Hello, dog. My very top video, I did like a full face of makeup and I'm not wearing my glasses. I'm in like a little outfit that looked like a comedian would wear it. But I have another video that's in like my top 5. I look like crazed. Like my hair is frizzy and messy and I am wearing red lipstick, but it's like lopsided and my skin looks really bad in the lighting. And that's a really popular video on my channel. So turns out, you know, the makeup is not having that big of an impact that I thought it might have as a woman creator. So that's pretty neat. If you want more tips on creativity, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Like I said, I do a lot of different topics on this channel, but they are all geared towards helping indie and amateur creatives achieve their dreams, and I am doing it as well. I am a real writer, a real comedian who is self-published and traditionally published and seen a lot of different styles of getting into both of these fields. So make sure you give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you so much for joining us, and most importantly, let's go make stuff.